Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create new product. First, what is catalog menu? The catalog menu provides easy access to product creation, category and inventory management tools. All products in the catalog are accessible from the products page, where you can create new products and edit existing ones. There are 6 types of products, and today we will only work with simple product. To create a new simple product, click the Add Product button. The product workspace is basically the same for all product types, although the selection of fields changes depending on the attribute set that is used. Tap any section to expand or collapse. After fulfilling all the information, click the Save button. Coming up in our next videos is managing price. Thank you for your watching. Bihixa. Connecting applications, automating processes.